I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. Oh no.
पंचम को जब ये फैसिलिटी में लाया गया उसके बाद हमारी टीम ने ऑब्जर्वेशन स्टार्ट किए। ऑब्जर्वेशन में ये फाइंडिंग्स था कि पंचम के चारों कैनाइन जो है वो टूटे हुए थे। रूट कैनाल में आर्टिफिशियल मटेरियल फिल करके उसकी रूट्स को और स्ट्रेंथन किया गया।
But what if Pancham's home was left untouched? His land respected and guarded, not destroyed and converted. His terrain was thriving in a rich habitat. Would he still have ventured into human territories? The leading cause of human-animal conflict is loss of habitat and deforestation. In a world where we rescue the voiceless and provide them with sheltered homes, we must take the next steps to shelter their homes. Let's avoid provoking another Pancham and strengthen the intricate balance of nature among both species by protecting their habitat and raising a voice against ecosystem destruction. This Tiger Day, let's promise to safeguard the national pride of India.